Good morning guys, in front of me is Galaxy A04e and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. At first, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy, go a bit lower and go to more. Under more security settings you will find install unknown apps, just enroll the feature and here you can smoothly give permission to some particular application. Just give it a couple of seconds to load. And for example, if you wish to give this permission to Chrome, just mark the indicator and it is active. For Epic Games, just the same. Once you want to remove this permission, just unmark it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.